Welcome to Doon Group of Colleges, Dehradun, a name that has stood for 26 years of academic excellence.
Hello, this is Sanjay Chaudhary, Director Doon Group of Colleges. We have started Doon PG Paramedical College and Doon PG College of Agriculture, Science and Technology in the year 2000 to provide quality education to the students of India and abroad. My college is NAAC A accredited and our students are placed in many multinational companies in India as well as abroad, and soon we are planning to convert our colleges into university. Thank you.
Doon Group proudly celebrates more than a quarter century of shaping bright futures. With a prestigious A-grade certification, the college is affiliated with HNB Garhwal Central University and SDS University, ensuring quality education and globally recognized degrees. At Doon Group of Colleges, learning goes beyond textbooks. Spacious, technology-enabled classrooms, it provides a professional, competent and expert faculty. And state-of-the-art laboratories create an environment where knowledge meets innovation. Here, students gain hands-on experience that bridges theory and practice, preparing them for real-world challenges. With a strong focus on practical education, our agriculture fields and experimental grounds provide students with real farming and research exposure. From soil analysis to crop management, every lesson is rooted in experience. Build your future in healthcare with paramedical sciences at Doon Group of Colleges. With modern laboratories and expert faculty, we train professionals in medical lab technology, medical microbiology, physiotherapy, pharmacy and many more, preparing you for a rewarding career in hospitals and diagnostic centers worldwide. Library facility are centrally situated inside the campus. They have more than 20,000 books. Cutting-edge computer labs, equipped with the latest software and high-speed internet, give students the tools to master technology and stay ahead in today's digital world. A modern seminar hall, designed for conferences, workshops, and guest lectures, encourages students to interact with industry experts and broaden their horizons. The campus features a hygienic cafeteria and mess, serving nutritious meals and refreshments, keeping students energized and focused throughout their day. Doon Group of Colleges provides dedicated placement assistance, offering career guidance, skill development, and opportunities with top recruiters to help students secure promising jobs. Behind every successful institution is a dedicated leadership. At Doon Group of Colleges, our chairman and our director and our principal and our admin coordinator engaged closely with students, guiding, mentoring, and inspiring them to achieve academic and personal excellence. Education at Doon Group of Colleges is not just about academics, it's about celebrating talent and culture. From energetic festivals to annual functions and stage performances, our cultural programs bring students together, encouraging creativity, teamwork, and confidence on a vibrant campus. A home away from home, Doon Group offers separate, well-furnished hostels for boys and girls. Safe, comfortable, and fully equipped with modern amenities, our hostels provide a secure and nurturing environment for learning and personal growth. For over 2.5 decades, Doon Group of Colleges has been more than just an institution, it is a family of achievers and dreamers. Join us and be part of a legacy that inspires innovation, empowers ambition, and creates leaders of tomorrow. Doon Group of Colleges, where excellence begins and futures take flight.